Good morning children. In today's class we are going to solve chapter 9 exercise 9.1 page number 200. But before start the exercise I want to discuss two important points. First, you see the table showing the actual observations with their frequencies is called ungrouped frequency distribution table or table of weighted observation. What do you mean by that? In previous class we discussed about raw data, like individual observation they are giving, like suppose marks of 10 students, they are getting 35, 40, 45, 50, like that. So we are arranging in according to frequency. Suppose 35 marks 2 students got, 40 marks 1 student got, 45 marks 5 students got, like that. So along with the data, if we are giving this number of students, how many students got how many marks, that is nothing but frequencies and this raw data. This is called frequency, ungrouped frequency distribution table, or you can say table of weighted observation. Am I clear children? Now one more point, presenting the data in groups with their frequencies is called a group frequency distribution table. That means we are writing, in previous class we discussed about the group data, like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. This is nothing but group data, and along with that group data, if we are writing frequencies, that is nothing but grouped frequency distribution table. Am I clear children? Now we will see the exercise. First question. The blood groups of 36 students of 9th class are recorded as follows. The students whose blood groups are so and so, here he mentions, like first student's blood group is A, then second student B, like that. Here he has given. What he is asking children? Represent the data in the form of a frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these groups. First we need to represent the data in frequency distribution table. Here blood group he has given, so we have to prepare two columns. In first column blood group will write, in second column frequencies will write. How many blood groups are there children here? A, B, O and AB. Four blood groups are there. That only I am writing under blood group heading A, B, AB and O. Now count here how many students blood group is A. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 students blood group is A. Now the question is, here I have written data, but AB is one blood group and A is separate group, B is separate group. How to identify? So here I wrote in bracket that blood group is AB blood group, which I did not write in bracket, that is separately A and separately B. Am I clear children? Now second blood group is B. You count B in this, you will get 9. You count similarly AB. AB is 2 only, and you count the blood group of O. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. O blood group is 15. Now you count total, you will get 36. Am I clear children? Blood group along with frequency, if we are representing in such form, that is nothing but frequency distribution table. And he asked one more question, which is the most common blood group is which, that means O is repeating again and again, that is the common blood group. Am I clear children? And rarest blood group, who is having less number, that means AB only is having 2, because A is 10, B is 9, AB is 10 and O is 15. Which is highest here? 15, that is called most common, and which is less number? 2, that is rarest group. So AB is the rarest group and O is the most common group. Am I clear children? Now we will see one more problem. See, a company manufactures car batteries of a particular type. The life in years of 40 batteries were recorded as follows. Life of a battery he has given in years children. 2.6 means 2.6 years, like that. 3.5, 2.5 he has given in such form. What he is still asking children? Construct a group frequency distribution table with exclusive classes for this data using class intervals of size 0.5 starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. See here, less number is, smallest number is 2.3, 2.2, 2.3 is there, 2.2 also there. So 2.2. So he said start with 2. So less than that number only we should start. 2.2 is the smallest number in this frequency, in this observation. So we should start with less of this. So 2.1 we don't want to take. 2.0 only 2 you can say. Am I clear, children? So here he mentioned start with 2. So 2 to 2.5. 0.5 difference is there. So 2 to 2.5. And here he mentioned exclusive classes. Exclusive classes means continuous group data, in which upper limit we will not add. So where we are ending, we should start the next group data with the same number. 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3.0, 3.0 to 3.5. Continuation is there. Such type of group data is called exclusive. Am I clear, children? Now 2 to 2.5 he mentioned. That means 2.5 we should not add. So up to 2.4 only we should add. 2.5 we will not add. 2.31, then 2.8 we will not add. 2.6 also will not add. This one 2. Then 2.2 only 2. 2 to 2.5 is 2. Then 2.5 to 3.0. 3.0 means we will add up to 2.9 only, because it is exclusive classes. So we will not add upper limit. So up to 2.9. This is 1. 2.5 2. Then you see this one 3. This one 4. This one 5. Correct, children? This one 6 we got. Similarly 3.0 to 3.5 you count here. 3.0 means to 3.5 means 3.5 we will not count. Up to 3.4 only we will count. So this one we will not count. 3.01, 2. Are you getting my point, children? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14. Clear, children? So 2.0 to 3.5, 14 will got. Now 3.45 to 4.0. 4.0 means up to 3.9 only we should count, because exclusive classes, it is exclusive data. That means upper limit we will not add. So 3.5. So this is 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, then 6, this one 7, 8, 9, then 9, 10, 11. We got, children? Now 4.0 to 4.5. 4.5 means up to 4.4 only we will count. 4.0 to 4.4. So this will not count. 1. See here. Then in this data not there. 4.0 means this is 2. Then this is 3. Then this is 4. Got, children? Now 4.5 to 5.0. That means 5.0 means up to 4.9 only we will count. See 1, 2. Then see which will come under 2, 3. Got, children? 3 we got. Count these all numbers, you will get 40. He mentioned a company manufactures 40 batteries. So total is 40. That means our group frequency distribution table is correct. Am I clear, children? How to prepare the frequency distribution table? Here he mentioned use the exclusive class interval and prepare in group data. Group data means we should take 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 30, 30 to 40, like that we should say. But here the limit he mentioned 2 to 2.5. That means 0.5 difference only we should take. Clear? That only, according to that only we prepare, because here batteries are up to 4.9 only. See, that's why we took up to 5.0 only. We did not move again. Clear, children? And according to that, number of batteries are nothing but frequencies. Clear? Now today's your homework is solve chapter 9, exercise 9.1, page number 200, question number 3, 4 and 7. Clear, children?